MaxCut will help you produce optimized cutting diagrams of horizontal sheet materials, generate cost estimates, purchase orders, and labels effortlessly. The first screen allows you to add job details, any information you'd like to add, either text or numbers that will appear on reports. Select Add as a default. We'll add the last prompted input item. Should you need this to be changed, select the drop-down box next to the Add button to select another item. Another way to add items would be to double-click from the library on your left-hand side. Name the panel for easy reference on reports and labels. Note the fields in red are compulsory. If you have filled them in and they are still red, it means that the value you have added is invalid. This generally occurs if the size is not correct according to the material. Add your sizes and the quantity needed. Then select a material. A default material can be selected, which is normally example grain board or example colored board. Should you need to add a specific material, kindly refer to the video for adding new materials. You are then able to state which sides, if any, of the panel should have edging, as well as the type of edging. In the business edition, you may also add information pertaining to holes and grooving. Notice that in your diagram on the right, you will see the information added, such as your measurements, the grain or the direction of the board, and which sides you have added edging. You may edit the panel at any stage, copy, paste, delete any input items as needed. Then select Optimize. If an item is added but was highlighted in red, it will warn you that some of the panels have not been placed. Go back to the Input tab and edit or delete that line. Re-optimize. This is a visual representation of each board. In the Optimize window, it will specify how many boards you will require on your right-hand side. You may also move to the next visual by the buttons First, Previous, Next, and Last, located on the top left-hand corner. Visually illustrated is the edging as well. Different edging is shown with the use of different lines in the edging legend on the left-hand side. Wastage will also be stipulated in percentage on the right. From here, you are then able to select a number of different reports and labels. For this demonstration, I will select a cutting list as well as a layout option from the reports so that you can see what information is available. The reports are generated in a PDF format so that it's compatible with any printer. Notice that all the information you've captured will appear in the report, such as the job details, the edging, special notes, and all input items you've captured. On the layout in the left-hand column, it will have the cutting list as well as the layout of the complete sheet. At the bottom on the left-hand side, you will also see the grain direction of the board. Please like and follow us on Facebook to keep up to date with information pertaining to new releases, new features, and other videos.